You guys want to see what it looks like to try to build your own race team out of your friend's garage in the backyard? Looks a little something like this. I've always been intrigued by race cars, and so have my friends, and that's why we started this YouTube channel, to build cars that we could race. I have my E36 that I drift. I take to the track and just rip the heck out of it. My friend Sam has a C5 Corvette that he's building to be an endurance track machine, and Spencer is building a WRX into an absolute rally weapon. How's the race car, dude?
It's going pretty good. I mean, it was running pretty bad earlier on, but I've fixed so much. It was running really rough, and I couldn't figure it out. And found out it had a bunch of vacuum leaks, fixed all the vacuum leaks, ran 50% better. I'm not even joking, it was like 50% better. Still had a couple like weird sounds, pops and stuff when I was getting off. I was like, okay, whatever, like it's probably normal. I'm gonna weld up the exhaust though, because it was just clamps. Weld up the exhaust. This thing runs mint. I'm so stoked.
Yeah, I haven't ridden it yet, but this is gonna be the best. Anyway, so the Corvette's gonna be pretty close to doing some racetrack time, probably in the next like month, hopefully.
The biggest thing is I'm just waiting on some parts. I'm waiting on a bucket seat because this seat's pretty much broken.
Stock Corvette seats kind of suck.
Dude, and these are the Z06 seats.
Yeah, Corvettes are such good cars. But what's up with the seats? Yeah, everyone I know that has a Corvette, no matter what trim level, their seats suck.
Yeah, the seats are garbage. I don't like them at all.
Anyways, we got the Corvette that Sam's gonna be racing here this summer. I got the Beamer that we take at drift events, which we're gonna be hitting a bunch of those this summer. And Spencer's rally car is gonna be ready for Rally Colorado in July. I think it's mid-July. So we're gonna be basically the crew, I think. We're gonna let Spencer, one of Spencer's buddies, is gonna be the co-driver for that. So yeah, that's kind of like, dude, after hours race team is what we're trying to build right now.
And
with street, drift, and rally. So
also, after hours race team, we are true to the name because we build everything after hours.
That's right. It's freaking sun is setting, baby.
Yes. Like I just got off work. It's 8 o'clock, and like every single day, I'm not joking. Every single day, get off work, come home, build race cars, and then just shower, go to bed. That's every single day.
Yeah, please subscribe. Maybe that's corny to ask. I don't know. Subscribe because we're gonna be building some sick cars and having fun here. So
maybe if enough people subscribe, we'll start selling merchandise like, you know,
Yankee No Broom.
Yankee No Brims.
Oh yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get this fixed up. Sam's gonna take me for a ride in this tonight, hopefully. Maybe we'll swing by Spencer's. He's working on welding some bits on the rally car. And yeah, we'll just have a good time tonight. Maybe mess around a little bit.
Have some fun. This thing steers a little poopy right now, but it drives.
The thing about building race cars is that they're really expensive. So while we all have our full-time jobs that we're doing, we are also doing this to fund the builds. So everything we make from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all of our social medias just goes directly back into these builds.
Got the dipstick in. Should not be leaking. I think we're gonna go.
Did you fart?
No. No, I wouldn't.
Okay, that answers my question.
I wouldn't do that.
We're gonna go drive this thing. Shaboing.
Shaboing.
If you've never had a Corvette, driven a Corvette, brother, I feel bad for you because this is American power right here. Ever since Sam bought the Corvette, we had a plan that he was gonna do a Marlboro wrap or paint job on it, which is sick. You see him all over though. Like it was a little bit played out, but it's sick on a Corvette. I wanted to do on the Beamer too. Sam has a different idea now. He's a little bit skeptical, and then he showed me. So check this out.
We might just copy Dale Earnhardt's C5 Corvette.
Oh, can you imagine a little Dale Earnhardt action on the C5?
It would be so cool. And the best part is this is like this is the C5R, which if you don't know what that means, it's like any of the Corvette R series. That is the actual Corvette race car from Chevrolet.
Yeah.
Like this is how Chevrolet built the race car for racing. And this was not only just a C5R, this was Dale Earnhardt's C5R.
It does not get much more American than that. Oh my gosh, dude. That's insane. You do this paint job and then, I mean, just the yellow.
Get some wide body, yellow. Obviously, I'm building it into a race car, so.
That's going to be absolutely legendary.
I even want to do the frame exit exhaust too, right at the
Dude.
doors. I might tuck them back here. I'm not sure.
This is gonna be. Nobody copy this. If you're watching this,
Yes,
do not copy it.
I'd actually
it's
be
happening
so mad.
this year, hopefully.
I'd be so mad.
Actually, we'll see what time.
The thing is, it's gonna happen whenever I can manage to wide body it. It probably won't be this year, I'm not gonna lie, because we have some other stuff in the works for videos that we're gonna do with this, and I don't think I can modify it yet until those videos are done.
This video probably won't get a crap ton of views because we're such a small channel right now. But if you're here watching this, you're day one. Like, you know this is coming, and you can be stoked for when this happens.
Yeah.
I am stoked for that.
By the way, if you're watching this video, this is an original idea by me to make it like a C5, like Dale's Earnhardt C5 Corvette. No one else had this idea. No one sent this to me on Facebook Marketplace saying, hey, it'd be cool if you made your C5R like this. I just had this idea and I bought this model car.
I haven't seen this car start up in a minute.
She sounds kind of good now.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Actually, I will say it's quieter.
Oh, makes sense.
So-
Makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
It'll still be loud enough for you guys.
Yeah.
Listen to that America purr, baby. Ow! That's some bald eagles right there. This is America. That's an LS. Yeah! LS, baby.
LS power, baby.
Woo! Delicious. Actually, I'm getting in. Yeah.
Actually,
I like being a passenger princess. Welcome to Sam's C5. Oh my gosh,
no popping.
bro!
Not even on the.
We're spinning tires on. Was that third gear?
Yeah, I think it was third when I spun a titch. I think it's faster.
I mean, it's been a while since I've been in this doing a pull, but that felt faster.
And I don't like if you've seen any of our previous videos or something, you may have seen me doing burnouts and stuff. At high RPMs, it would pop, like it'd pop. And when you let off the throttle, it'd pop. And I even took it to a shop that like maybe knew a little more than me. They're like, oh no, that's normal when you let off the throttle. I was like,
Nope.
Okay. Fixed all the exhaust and the vacuum leaks. No pops. Not even on, like when you let off the throttle, nothing.
Just goes to show, like, there's some things that are super hard to actually diagnose. Anyways, now we're sneaking up on Spencer and the rally car. Spencer's first Subaru, Spencer's truck, and Spencer's other Subaru.
Spencer almost has the proper amount of cars.
What's the proper amount of cars?
At least 4.
I think you need 4. I think you need a track car as well.
How much did you spend on this seat again?
$200.
Yeah, right.
I don't remember.
I just bought a seat. I ended up spending with the brackets and everything.
You got brackets already? I was gonna say I'll sell you these ones for a little bit.
Damn it! These are the
Welder?
exact brackets I bought.
Did you buy
Can
them
you
already?
return them?
Yes, I literally bought that exact bracket.
Return them, dude. I might want to get some different brackets.
Really?
Yeah.
Fast forward to the part of the video where we're shooting some Instagram reels, and so I've got a wig on that's made out of a mop because I'm being the girl in this video apparently. So
He's always the girl.
okay, yeah. So I'm the girl in the video. Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram to see the whole thing. I'm not gonna show you guys here, but we're gonna make it. We're at Maverick. Thanks, Maverick, for being great. Okay, little aftermath.
Yeah.
Sam is soaked. There's water everywhere. I've got water all over the place.
Subscribe to our Only Cars.
Only cars. Anyways, yeah, follow our Instagram to see the full video. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be viral. What can I say?
Probably. The things we're willing to do for the bit. Oh man.
Guys, all the nights work.
The funny thing is, we always film at this gas station, so the employees at some point have just got to be like, oh, this is these guys again. What are they doing now?
Yeah, I'll pop up a few like just on the screen of our recent Instagram videos that we filmed here. Honestly, I bet you some of you have seen them just because they did blow up and they're a little bit fruity. People love them.
Yeah, people love them.
People love 'em.
They love fruity stuff.
Yeah. Anyways.